Hi everyone. Well, it's my first time being on YouTube, so it's a bit shocking. So yeah, I'm just walking around in my room. So yeah, my dad playing music and everything. Let's go downstairs. See what my sister's doing. She got it as well. A bit annoying. So I keep on hearing this noise every day. If I keep shutting the doors. So yeah, it's weird. Wow. So I've just been playing some Batman. As you. I wasn't even filming, man. So yeah, still in my room.